Here we have a 67 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the mineral grey metallic exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, we have the gloss black front kidney grills, the M Performance kit which includes the gloss black front splitter. Right to the passenger side, we have the side skirt extensions along the bottom, black door mirrors, colour-coded door handles, the black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top. We also have the gloss black rear spoiler, as you can see just there, sitting nice and aggressive. We also have the third alloy wheel down there, again in excellent condition. We have the rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the rear diffuser with a twin pipe exhaust. Walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the final alloy wheel just there, and then taking a look at the interior. So inside of the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, the foldable armrest, we have the fixed ISO points, we have the vents down there for the rear passengers. Electric windows on the doors. We also have the same full leather interior for the front. Both front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the electric mirrors and electric windows with Charlock for the rear. We have the automatic lights and also the automatic wipers. Paddle shifters at either side of the multifunctional steering wheel. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter on the left hand side, the volume on the right. We also have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard just there. We have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre. If this screen is flickering, that's just the camera. They're not actually flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So on here you find we have the sat nav. We have all the shortcuts down here. So if you click onto the media, you find that we have the media just there for the DAB radio. We also have the USB, the CD player and the Bluetooth audio. We have the phone connectivity just there. Further down you find we have the climate control, we have the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats on either side. We also have the automatic gearbox, you have the different drive mode buttons just down there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.